So Google has started to roll out the new page experience update, and this is scheduled to be completed by August 2021. So in this video, I'm going to go through what this change is and what you can do now to prepare. So as the name suggests, this new Google update is going to look at the page experience on your website. Now, if you want to have a look and see how good your page experience is right now, according to Google, then make sure you install the Google Search Console on your website. And once you install that, you'll be able to go to the Page Experience tab in your Google Search Console. And this Page Experience tab will tell you how good your page experience is according to Google. So the Page Experience update is basically looking at four main things. So it's looking at your core web vitals, which is basically how fast your website is loading up. It's looking at your mobile usability, which means how mobile friendly your website is. It's looking to see if there are any security issues, and it wants to make sure that your website is secure with an SSL, so it should have HTTPS. Now, most websites by default will have HTTPS, and also if your website is up to date, then you shouldn't really have any security issues. So for example, if you're using WordPress, just make sure all your plugins and your website is up to date to avoid any potential security issues. So these two are usually pretty easy to take care of. And similarly, most websites these days come mobile friendly out of the box. So you really shouldn't have too much of an issue with mobile usability either, as long as your website is mobile friendly, which most websites are these days. Now, where most people are most likely going to fail or need improvement is in the core web vitals. And this is basically how fast your website is loading up. And if you're not sure how fast your website is right now, just go to the Google PageSpeed Insights page and then type in your website URL, and it will tell you if it's poor, if it needs improvement, or if it's good. Now, if you want to learn how you can very easily take your Google PageSpeed Insights score from poor to good, then watch this video right here and I'll go through how you can do that in just a few minutes by making one simple change to your website.